First, we will start to learn interface, that is tools which we can use for editing and recording. So these are the basic playback options: record, skip to start, skip to end, stop, play, and pause. These will be used for recording and playing purpose. Now these are the tools which we will use for selection. Basically this tool is used as a cursor. Now with this option we can zoom in, zoom out, and this one is time shift, which we can use for shifting audio. That means we can give a delay to an audio. Now let's see the monitoring options. Now for monitoring options there are two inputs available, that is one for microphone and one for playback. These two are input audio option. Make sure you do not cross this level beyond 0 dB, because 0 dB is maximum limit for audio, and if you cross that 0 dB limit then clipping will occur. Clipping is nothing but when you hear your song after, or hear your recording audio afterwards, that is while playback, then you will observe that some amount of audio is not present. That is, it will clip out that particular part if you cross that beyond 0 dB. Now these two are nothing but audio volume inputs, one for microphone and one for speaker, that is playback. Default value is 1. You can set it accordingly, whichever you are comfortable with. Now in this drop down menu, three options are available: MME, Windows Direct, and Windows WAS API. All these are nothing but to make your audio sound bit better. So MME is nothing but multimedia extension. It is default and it is compatible with most of the computers. Windows Direct is new and it offers less latency, which means less time between you talk and its recording. And Windows WAS API is nothing but a Windows audio session. All these are used for audio enhancement. You can select whichever option you want. So let's say I am selecting Windows Direct. Now here you can select the microphone from which you are recording. So I have selected the device from which I am recording. If you do not see your device in this list, then close Audacity, check your connection with your device, and again open Audacity software and then select your recording device. Now here you can select in which recording mode you want to record your sound, that is mono or stereo. You can select mono if you want. I am selecting stereo here. And now this is playback device. Select the speaker which you are using. So I have selected mine. So basically these are the options which will be used for recording. Here even we have a few edit options, that is cut, copy and paste, and zoom in, zoom out. We can use that. Now one more thing, here they have provided a playback speed option, which means you can increase or decrease the speed of your audio. Usually default value is 1, and it is actually preferable that you keep it at 1 and you start recording, because it is much natural. Now here at the bottom left we have project rate in Hertz. The default value of it is 44100. If it is not default value, then go to edit, preferences, quality. Now here default sample rate, select it to 44100 Hertz, and your default sample format to 16-bit. You can select 24, 32-bit float. I am selecting 16-bit and okay. Now here, selection start, end. In this area, when you are selecting audio clip from one particular point to another particular point, it will show here the time from which time you have selected and where that audio clip ends. So this is nothing but the interface of Audacity. Now let's move forward to cut, copy, paste and let's see how it works.